Alright guys, so welcome to today's video. On today's video guys, we are going to be talking about the Memhash TGE, the mandatory task that you need to complete right now, and also how you can be able to complete it, because anyone that doesn't complete this last task right now will not be able to qualify for the airdrop. And also the deadline to do the task I'm going to be showing you how to do right now is on the 15th of February 2025. So right now you need to pay close attention to the video. Let me now explain to you guys all you need to know right now concerning the Memhash TGE. All right, so you all know that in this channel we do not only talk about airdrop. I guide you guys until the final day when we finally get paid. So I'm going to be helping you understand what you need to do right now to position very well and be qualified for the airdrop. So looking over here right now, you can see that I am on the Memhash community right here on Telegram, and when we look over here, they said on February 8th that the tone captcha is now live. And you can see right now guys, a lot of things are actually required right here, and the most important one right here is that users are required to complete tone captcha within 7 days. They only allotted 7 days for you to be able to complete this process that I'm going to be showing you how to do right now. Okay, you can see this is a mandatory process to verify eligibility for the Memhash airdrop, meaning that if you didn't do this step that we are going to take right now, you are not going to be receiving the Memhash airdrop, no matter how many airdrop points that you got. All right, and also if you look over here, you can see the deadline for verification is 15th of February, meaning that if you didn't complete this task until 15th of February, you are not going to be getting the airdrop, no matter the amount of airdrop point that you already accumulated. So looking down right here, you can see captcha must be completed only once. The transaction is free. User only need to cover the gas fee. So this means that we are going to be doing this for free. And over here, this went ahead to tell you that to complete the captcha, you first send a transaction, after which you will receive a return transaction containing the captcha code. Enter this code in Memhash to confirm your verification. So right now we are going to be doing it together right now. So when I go right now to your my Memhash bot on Telegram, you can see this is the current status. The mining has ended. We are now waiting for season 2, and also we are waiting for the TGE, which I think we are going to have before the season 2 actually begin. All right, so looking over here right now, you can see a lot of things has actually been happening right here, but what I need you to do right now is to simply make sure you click right here that we have wallet. Once you click on wallet, you can see this is where your wallet will be showing, and you need to make sure that your wallet is connected. All right, and this is your point as well. When you come over here right now to task, this is where we are going to be doing the verification. And over here guys, you can see we have something like verify yourself. Okay, we have verify yourself, and we also have confirm eligibility. Okay, so over here on the confirm airdrop eligibility, they are trying to kind of keep track of how you have been active on their bot. So what you need to do right is simply click on confirm airdrop eligibility. You are only required to click on confirm, and once you click on confirm, it will load up immediately and you are done with that one. So the next thing you need to do is to simply go ahead and click verify yourself. All right, so this is the mandatory task, as I already told you guys. You click on verify yourself right now, and after that you can see this is tone verification. And right now I've already told you guys about how it's going to be. Right now what you need to do right now is simply send this verification, and once you send it, it is going to requiring you to approve the transaction from your Tonekeeper wallet or any other wallet that you use to connect right here. And after that, you are going to be receiving a code back from the Tonekeeper or any other wallet that you connected, after which you then come over here, you paste the code and then continue. Okay, so right now I'm going to be doing it right now real quick. I will click on send. All right, so this is going to be loading up and it's going to be taking me to my wallet. So you need to select the wallet that you want to be using. I prefer Tonekeeper. I prefer Tonekeeper for this. I will click on Tonekeeper. So it's going to be opening up my Tonekeeper. And right now, guys, it's going to be loading up pretty quick, and a transaction is going to be popping up, which I need to confirm. First of all, I need to connect it right now. And once the connection is done, now wait for the transaction to pop up. Okay. So right now, again, you click on send in case they bring you back right here. You click on send again. Okay. So over here, guys, you can see it's now requiring me to actually confirm this right now, and you can see this is the transaction right here. And of course, remember, you can see we are going to be spending 0.01 tone right here, and like they already say, the fee that you're going to be paying right here is going to be returned back to you. Okay, so right now guys, you go ahead and of course click slide it to confirm. Right now we have now confirming this. We are confirming this right now. We need to approve it like this, and once the approval is done, they are going to be sending us a code which we are going to be using for this. Okay, so right guys, you can see that we have now done it. Once you are at this stage, what you need to do is to simply head back to your Tonekeeper wallet, because on your Tonekeeper wallet is where you are going to be getting the code that they are going to be sending back to you. Okay, so right now guys, I will go to my Tonekeeper right now, and then I need to go to the history. Over here guys, on the history, let me see what I'm going to have right here. And of course, this is the transaction that we just approved right now. We are now waiting for them to send us the code as promised. Okay, right now immediately you can see they have just sent the code right now. You can see it didn't even take up to 1 minute before they send the code. This is the code right right now. I will click on it, then I have to, you know, copy the code. Okay, where's the code? This is it. I need to copy it like this. Let me see if I can be able to copy it. Okay, you can see copy it. The code has been copied. Just click on it, then you long press this code right now to copy it. Then you go back to your Memhash bot, then you go ahead and click on check. They are going to be requesting you to paste the code right here. You click over here, then you go ahead and of course paste the code. Okay, clear this off. I think it should be cleared. Okay, this is it. We click on verify. Let's see what we're gonna have right here. Incorrect. Okay, let me now clear the space as well. Bear with me. Okay, make sure there's no space on the front or the back. You click on verify again. You can see code has been applied, and right now guys, I have completed my mandatory tasks on Memhash. Right now I am now positioned to receive the airdrop because I have done my verification and I have done everything necessary that will put me in a position of earning this airdrop. So make sure you do this right now. If you mine Memhash, if you didn't mine Memhash, check out our channel and our Telegram, because we are currently mining Star Hash and FOMO Hash. These airdrops are just like Memhash, which is concluding right now, and make sure that you are following us back to back so they don't get to miss out on any important airdrop. Remember to like and subscribe to our YouTube channel if you haven't done that yet, and also we do give out tone giveaway, which we are going to be announcing the winners on the Telegram. So if you want to be joining the tone giveaway, simply go ahead and make sure that you have subscribed and like this video you're watching right now, and most importantly, make sure you share the video and comment on the comment section, because from the comment section is where we are going to be picking our winners and then announcing them on Telegram. So this is what you need to do right now to stay positioned for what's coming for this Memhash airdrop. I believe is going to be great, and remember, this is not your regular type of airdrop. All right, thank you for watching. I believe you got a value from this video. I will talk to you guys on my next video. With that being said, do have a lovely day.